Hello everyone, I am Akash and you're watching Nutshell Programming. So in the last tutorial we have discussed about the read command. In this tutorial we will discuss about the write command, how to write anything in our .html file or in our .txt file. So here we have discussed about the r plus. Here this is our teachers.html and the data is as follows: the teacher's name and the subject which they teaches. So here I am going to remove this r plus from here and I am going to change the mode to append. So before we are learning to the write, I am going to describe about the append command. So basically whenever our mode is set to A, which is append, it usually adds some data in our HTML file. Oh, that file can be .html, that file can be .txt, that file can deserve any type of extension. I'm using .html here. So here I have written down write Rahul physics. So here our teacher is Rahul who teaches physics and the mode is append. So this is the new data which should be added in our old file, which is teachers.html. So I'm going to run this and let's see that our new data, which is Rahul who teaches physics, is added or not. Okay, so you can see after the Mike who teaches bio, our new data, which is Rahul dash physics, got added. So that was all about this append mode. You can use the append mode whenever you want to add some new data. So I'm going to run this program one more time and you will see some problem right down here. Open the teachers.html. You can see that our new data, which is Rahul who teaches physics, and whenever I run this, so one more time the Rahul who teaches physics is got written down in this teachers.html file. So why this is happening? Because append function usually add some new data. I have run this program 2 times, that's why this Rahul is got printed and got written down 2 times in our teachers.html file. So I'm going to change the data, which is going to be Robbie and who teaches chemistry right down here, and I'll use the /n before the Robbie because we want some new lines, so our interactions should be good to the user. So I'm going to use the /n and run this program. So and just open the teachers.html. You can see after the Rahul, Robbie who is our new teacher is got printed in our output. So Robbie is our teacher, which is got written down in teachers.html. So that was all about the append function, which usually insert some new record in our old file. So right down I'm going to use the W, which is write function. I'm going to run this program and let's see. I'm going to show you what we have. We have all the teachers' name in the teachers.html. Whenever I run this, you can see that what write function does here. So you can see our new record, which is Robbie who teaches chemistry, is got written down in the teachers.html because everything is disappeared, because write mode usually overwrite everything. So it is not like read usually read all the data which we have is stored in the teachers.html. Append usually insert some new data, and write usually overwrite new data over the old data. So our new data is that Robbie and who teaches chemistry is got printed. Here you can also use another use of W mode. If you want to create any new file, we can create also. Here I have written down teachers2.html and in the I'll write P. This is HTML code and the paragraph close. So I know the HTML code, it is not that much, tough, you can also learn the HTML code. I'm going to run this program, and you will see that using the W we can create a new file. I'm coming to our project section, and you can see down here that teachers2.html is created by using the W mode. So I'm going to click on this, and you can see this is HTML code which we have just written down in the print statement is stored in the teachers2.html. So you can usually use the write function by overwriting the data, and you can also use write function like to create a new file and create a new data inside that file. So in the previous video we have learned about the open, we have learned about the close function, we have learned about the read, we have learned about the append, and in the final we have learned about the write function. So here we have used the teachers2.html. you can also create teachers.txt file. If you want to create any type of extension file, you can create. I know the HTML code, so I created .html file. So it was all about this video. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.